Hey everyone, it's Jeff Klump coming to you from Creve Coeur, Missouri. Creve Coeur is a suburb of St. Louis, and I wanted to get another video up here regarding the company and business opportunity called Live Good. Live Good is less than 2 years old. It is a network marketing company, and that's a good thing because it will help you generate monthly residual and passive income. I've been trying the products, and I'm going to be doing a lot of product reviews, and so far all the products I've taken have really been helping me out. The CBD oil, which is I've been taking the 1500 milligram, that is really good. You gotta take it easy though because it's strong, at least it was for me. In any case, I've got a couple of links below to sign up and join, and at least to secure your position. You're going to have to become a paid member if you really want to get involved in this and make a lot of money. The key selling point in this whole company is a $10 membership fee per month. There is a one-time $40 enrollment fee up front, along with your first $10. And after that, it's just $10 a month. So this price point is affordable for anybody. It is a global company, so you can get people throughout the entire world to join your network. I've got a link to another company called Sales Pipe, and if you're able to afford it, I'd highly recommend it. Sales Pipe is the #1 all-in-one contact management system and lead management system for any kind of business. And you could also sign up as an affiliate and make 40% commissions on it. So you could share a link and sign up anybody that comes in with you on Live Good, or you could just sell Sales Pipe by itself. Realtors love this because there's a couple features in Sales Pipe that are great for realtors. But getting back to Live Good, again, it's a less than 2-year-old company. There's a lot of room for growth. There's several links. Be sure to check out all my links. And all you have to do is post some content. It doesn't have to be on YouTube, but YouTube definitely helps. You could write a blog article. And with AI, writing a blog article is really simple. So that's it for right now. And I'll be popping in again in another day or so and get some product reviews posted here. I finally figured out how to work this video software. It's a free video software called OBS, and I really like it for using it for YouTube videos. It takes some getting used to, but I could probably help you out if you're interested. In any case, that should do it. Live Good, the Good Health Company. Live good and prosper. That is my slogan that I came up with. Live good and prosper. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.